Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Sonam Prajapati. Friends, today I am gonna show you how to add social link in your YouTube channel. So friends, it's pretty simple and I let you know step by step how can you do this. So let's start the video. Friends, go to your channel, then click on the customize channel. After that, friends, go to about, and friends, you can add here uh, your email address just clicking on this pencil button. And if you want to add links, so just click here on the link tab and you will see there pencil button, and whatever link you want to add, just click on the add. And just suppose if you want to add Facebook link, just click on the right here Facebook and paste here URL, and after this, friends, click on the done button, so the URL will be saved. Friends, if you have any question or having any problem, just comment me below. I will help you. And anything you can ask me any question, I will really help you. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I'll see you soon with a new video.